Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota BZ4X. In this video I'll show you how to activate ambient lighting. In the beginning, let's go to Car and next go to Customize. Enter Illumination and switch this button. Ambient lighting strips are located here in the center console, in the back and doors. Now you can change color according to drive mode, fixed, and then you can enable welcome and goodbye and save exit and brightness level. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.